Hey everyone! Welcome back. If your mornings aren't complete without a hot cup of coffee or tea, you know waiting forever for water to boil is no fun. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 best electric kettles in the USA. Fast, safe, and stylish, perfect for every kitchen. From precise temperature controls to auto shutoff and sleek designs, these kettles make your daily routine so much easier. Stick around till the end to see which one claims the spot. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. And yes, all the links and details are in the description below, ready for you to grab your favorite. Number 5. Electric Kettle Glass 2L 1500W Fast Boiling Hot Water Boiler. Experience convenience and style with the Electric Kettle Glass 2L 1500W Fast Boiling Hot Water Boiler. 2L Large Capacity. Perfect for daily use. Boil up to 2 liters of water quickly for tea, coffee, oatmeal, or instant noodles. Ideal for family mornings or busy offices. Durable glass body and stainless steel interior crafted with premium borosilicate glass and stainless steel for pure, safe, and odor-free boiling. 1500W Rapid Boil with auto shutoff. Powerful 1500W heating brings water to a boil in just minutes, with auto shutoff and boil dry protection for safety. Elegant blue LED indicator and 360 degrees base. The blue LED glow adds elegance, while the 360-degree swivel base ensures easy handling. Wide opening and removable lid. Easy to clean. Enjoy effortless filling, pouring, and deep cleaning every time. Number 4. Cuisinart Perfect Temp 1.7-liter Electric Kettle. Enjoy precision and performance with a Cuisinart Perfect Temp 1.7-liter electric kettle. Fast heat up with 1500 watts of power. This kettle quickly brings up to 1.7 liters of water to a boil. Perfect for tea, coffee, oatmeal, or soup. 6 preset heat settings. Choose from 6 preset temperatures, 160 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, tailored for green, white, oolong, black, and herbal teas, plus French press coffee. Safe and user-friendly features. Intuitive one-touch controls, blue LED indicators, a 30-minute keep warm function, and boil dry protection with auto shutoff for safety. Cordless convenience. The 360-degree swivel base and stay cool non-slip handle ensure effortless, safe pouring. Memory feature. Lift the kettle off its base for up to 2 minutes without interrupting the brewing cycle. Ideal for multitasking tea lovers. Number 3. Viante Electric Kettle with Infuser for Loose Leaf. Experience refined tea brewing with the Viante Electric Kettle with Infuser for Loose Leaf Tea, an Italian-designed masterpiece for true tea lovers. A connoisseur's kettle. Achieve precision brewing with adjustable temperature control for different teas and coffees. For leaves or beans, use the built-in infuser for loose leaf or bag tea, or remove it to heat water for French press or pour over coffee. Bespoke brewing. Select settings for white, green, oolong, or black teas, and enjoy a 30-minute keep warm function for perfect sipping. No shortcuts. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, borosilicate glass, and BPA-free plastic for purity and safety. All-season tea solution. Brew both hot and iced tea with ease. Ideal for any season. The Viante difference. Designed in Italy and built for excellence, backed by quality, flavor, and satisfaction. Number 2. NutriChef Kitchen Electric Water Boiler and Warmer. Enjoy instant hot water anytime with the NutriChef Kitchen Electric Water Boiler and Warmer. 3L capacity. The stainless steel dispenser holds up to 3 liters and heats water to 212 degrees Fahrenheit in minutes. Choose from 2 dispensing methods. Press the button or simply touch your cup to the switch behind the spout. 360 degrees rotating base. Easily pour from any angle with the convenient rotating base, perfect for tables or countertops. Built-in LED light. A bright LED illuminates during dispensing, while the clear water level indicator ensures easy refilling. Auto Shut OFF. The 750W insulated design keeps water warm all day and automatically shuts off when empty, featuring a safety lock to prevent spills. Adjustable temperature. Select from 149 degrees Fahrenheit, 185 degrees Fahrenheit, or 208 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep warm settings for tea, coffee, or soups, ready whenever you need it. Number 1. Breville BKE 720 BSS Temp Select Hot Water Kettle. Experience precision brewing with the Breville BKE 720 BSS Temp Select Hot Water Kettle. Exact temperature control featuring 5 temperature settings. This 1500W stainless steel kettle ensures the perfect heat for French press coffee or black, green, white, and oolong tea. 5 varietal settings enjoy effortless one-touch functionality designed for tea and coffee lovers who value flavor accuracy. Keep warm button. Keep your water at the ideal temperature for up to 20 minutes. No need to rush your pour. Soft top lid designed for safety. The soft opening lid releases steam gently and prevents splashing. Cordless convenience. The 57 ounces cordless jug offers a 360 degrees rotating base with built-in cord storage for easy serving and a clutter-free counter. Backed by a 1-year replacement warranty, Breville ensures every brew is smooth, precise, and satisfying. And that's our list of the top 5 best electric kettles. Want one for your kitchen? Check links in the description box for each product mentioned. They're all right there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.